In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize Notion with Google Calendar, a handy skill that can significantly streamline your workflow. By having your calendar embedded directly into your Notion workspace, you can effortlessly keep track of your schedule and appointments without switching back and forth between different tabs or apps. Let's get started on this quick 5-minute process to integrate your Google Calendar seamlessly into your Notion space. First, make sure you're on a web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. Once there, you'll see a list of calendars on the left-hand side of the screen. Locate the specific calendar you wish to synchronize with Notion and hover your cursor over its name. This action will reveal a small menu icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots next to the calendar name. When you click on those 3 dots, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This option will direct you to a new page filled with various settings related to your calendar. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you find a section labeled Integrate Calendar. This is where Google Calendar gives you several options to share or embed your calendar with other platforms. Now, what you need to do is copy the public URL or the embed code that's provided in the Integrate Calendar section. This is the key that will allow you to pull your Google Calendar into Notion. Choose whichever URL suits your preferences. Typically, the public URL works best for most embedding purposes. Next, switch over to your Notion workspace. Navigate to the specific page where you want your calendar to appear. This could be a personal planner page, a team schedule board, or any other place you feel your calendar would be most useful. Once you're on the desired Notion page, simply type the command embed directly into the page. This command serves as an instruction for Notion to prepare for an embedded application. Paste the calendar link you copied from Google Calendar into the space provided after typing embed. Instantly, you'll notice your calendar appearing right inside Notion, providing a live view of your timeline and plans. Finally, for the best display, you'll want to adjust the size of the embedded frame to suit your page layout. Click and drag the corners of the frame to resize it until it fits comfortably within your Notion page. This ensures that your calendar is just the right size to easily view and interact with. And there you have it, a perfectly synchronized Google Calendar within your Notion workspace. With this integration, you can now enjoy the convenience of having all your scheduling information right where you want it. Enjoy your newly organized and efficient workspace.